Yo, what is going on, everybody? This is Zen. Welcome to the Zen Lounge. I have some exciting updates for you guys today. Today, I'm going to announce a special interview that I'm going to be hosting tomorrow. A lot of people loved the interview I did with King Space. So I'm going to go even deeper tomorrow with another guest, one of your favorite guests, actually, believe it or not. So he's coming back on, and we have some exciting things to talk about. Stick around to the end of the video when I announce the guest. We're going to be talking first about XLS20, and then we're going to be talking about the DTCC update and how that connects to possibly the XL20 amendment coming. So Wizit just announced, I just updated the XRP Labs validator from nay to yay on the XLS20 amendment. XLS means XRP ledger standard. Zem is ready. Now it's up to the network and ecosystem. So let's read the full post. With the XLS20 amendment, native NFTs on the XRP ledger reaching 50% yay votes, we decided our validator will vote along. We just updated our XRP ledger validator from nay to yay on the XLS20 amendment. So this is very exciting. This is going to bring more utility to the XRP ledger, and lots of value will be able to be tokenized onto the XRP ledger once this amendment goes through. How close are we? Very, very close. So you can see right here, there's 19 people voting yes, 19 validators voting yes, including Ripple.com, XRP Scan. We only need 28 to pass this amendment through. So we only need 9 more votes to successfully pass this amendment. This is going to be very bullish. I don't know what they're waiting on. Once this gets passed, I think it's going to bring massive amount of utility to the XRP ledger. First of all, we'll be able to tokenize everything imaginable onto the ledger, bring tons of value. And every tokenized asset needs an XRP ledger wallet, and they need an XRP ledger. They need an XRP trust line. Both of those take XRP. If you open an XRP ledger wallet, it takes about 10 XRP. If you set up a trust line, it takes 2 XRP. So the more tokenization that's happening, the more XRP is getting locked into these trust lines, making XRP more and more scarce, and bringing more value to XRP as a bridge between all of these assets that are being minted onto the ledger. Super bullish. You could see that. You could see here that Ripple, this is Ripple.com, they have big dreams for NFTs. The application of NFTs can extend to lots of different industries, but the core idea is about ownership. You can't even imagine what's being planned to be tokenized onto the XRP ledger. Even motorcycles, Ducati, the premier brands are going to tokenize their value onto the Internet of Value. Ducati, soon we'll be able to use XRP to purchase Ducati NFTs. That's going to be next level. I'm excited to see the future of how this all plays out. And what's interesting too is, wouldn't this make sense? This guy right here is one of the keynote speakers at Apex Developer Summit. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the video as well. There's a huge XRP Ledger Developer Summit happening in Las Vegas, September 6th to the 8th. I'm hoping that this amendment, the XLS20, is passed by Vegas, and then they could basically talk about it on stage at Apex. And you guys know Solo Nation's having a huge meetup and party in Vegas on the 8th. And, I was just hyping this up that this could be divine timing for the event if XLS20, the 9 people vote. And this guy is a huge leader in the XRP Ledger community. So if he's voting yes, I think that some more people will follow. Hopefully, that's just speculation. But let's put it on the timeline that XLS20 is passed and is successfully, pushed through by Vegas. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm excited to see what's going to be tokenized onto the XRP ledger. I think all the value in the world is going to be tokenized onto the XRP ledger. Also, the same day that we got that announcement from XRP Ledger Labs, the DTCC post, Project Ion represents one of the largest DLT initiatives and equities settlements across the industry. DTCC has selected R3's Corda as the underlying DLT technology for the Project Ion platform. Now, DTCC is the hub of the U.S. stock market. We're gonna do a quick little overview on them. But if we read the article they posted, they're talking about digitized assets and emerging technology like DLT are shaping evolving financial services landscapes. We remain committed to advancing innovative solutions that capitalize opportunities to deliver new value and drive the industry forward. So DTCC was the one. Well, let's first talk about this, how Ripple's connected. So back in 2015, Ripple Labs names former DTCC boss Donahue as an advisor. So Ripple is definitely connected to the DTCC. But most important, remember the whole situation with the Reddit traders with GameStop and AMC? DTCC was actually the one that pulled the plug on Robinhood and all these stock markets. They were the ones that were basically behind that. So this is really important to read. Firstly, DTCC is the main hub for the US stock market and is connected to all the major brokers and trading platforms. As the stock price at GameStop began to jump dramatically, Robinhood and other brokers had to put up money with the DTCC to back those trades during the 2 days it takes for them to settle. What do we know about tokenized assets on the XRP ledger is they're instant. There's no wait time. This is the solution. This whole GameStop was, in my opinion, all a show, all a movie, simulation to prepare for the solution, which, would be tokenizing stocks and tokenizing the stock market onto the XRP ledger. Who do we know that's working with brokerages with their tokenization system, the turnkey tokenization system? SoloNext is a tokenization brokerage solutions for financial institutions. SoloNext is the most secure and scalable asset tokenization solution designed for financial markets on one of the fastest blockchain networks. SoloNext is a turnkey solution developed specifically for financial institutions, including banks, brokerages, houses, investment firms, and exchanges globally, to provide new services or improving existing services using blockchain technology. You could tokenize multiple assets. You could do fractionalized trading. You could trade 24/7. You could manage the liquidity across all markets by one simple solution, manage custodial services, and launch funding rounds. So this is built for financial institutions using XRP Ledger networks, the most scalable blockchain that offers sensor-resistant transaction processing, and the list goes on and on. Make sure you look into this, the proof of solvency that they have as well in the protocol. So that's very bullish. And, who else do we know that they're friends with? Mauricio in charge of business development, NASDAQ, Link2, equities. Link2 is equities. NASDAQ is the market, the stock market. They're both friends with Sologenic. So ridiculously bullish, guys, ridiculously bullish. All the research that we've been doing all year is starting to come together. Also, we've been hunting the derivatives market. If we look over here, Sologenic is a derivatives protocol based on the Ripple network that tokenizes securities, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and other non-blockchain assets. That's what the DTCC is all about. Type in Corda IBC. Corda uses IBC to connect with multiple different blockchains. Sologenic is building a new layer one that uses IBC. So, there's not that many projects working on this type of situation. So ridiculously bullish, and all the research is coming through. It's been a brutal year. Definitely a retail shakeout is happening. However, the supply has been fully distributed and actually shrinking every single day. And best believe when XLS20 comes out, you'll see the supply of the Solo tokens rapidly start shrinking even more. There's already been 500,000 Solo tokens that have been shrunk, that have been burned. After XLS20, way more projects are going to come, and you'll see that supply burn even faster. Because we've been waiting on XLS20 all year, and we really need that to get through to, see more utility for the Solo token. So, keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on it. But I didn't want to even show this. Where is it? Yeah, so guys, we have Alter of Ego coming back onto the show. We have Alter of Ego coming back onto the show. You guys loved him. 5,000 views on the previous video I did with him. He's going to be back on tomorrow. I'm going to post it tomorrow evening. It's going to be lit. Alter of Ego is going to talk about, Palantir, Peter Thiel, all what he specializes in. Really looking forward to that. Apex XRPL Dev Summit is coming September 6th to the 8th. This is what I was talking about. If we scroll down, Where is it? This is the guy that just voted yes on XRP Ledger Standard 20 for NFTs. He's one of the keynote speakers. Wouldn't it be super bullish if he was able to, talk about NFTs at Apex? This would be the best place to premiere it. And we also have the Solo Nation meetup, first of many Solo Nation community events coming soon. You can learn about it directly on the decks. So you go to Access Decks, and then you click on events up here. See, it's new, so you click events, and it'll take you right to the information about the event that's coming up. It's going to be September 8th. So those are the updates I have for you guys today. XLS20, super bullish for all the NFT projects that have been preparing and building, waiting in anticipation for this to go off. And, DTCC, super bullish. They're going to be using XRP Ledger technology, I personally believe, for, solving all the issues that happened in the previous meltdown with the stock market, because XRP Ledger could settle these transactions instantly in real time. So it looks like we're on the right path, guys. It looks like all the research that we've done this whole year is all connecting and finally coming together. With XLS20 coming, we need 9 more votes. Put pressure onto the validators, tell them to stop being lazy and push this through before Apex. We want to celebrate in Vegas. Wouldn't it be awesome if we have something to celebrate about? XLS20, you'll see me on top of tables dancing if XLS20 gets passed through Vegas. So let's put it on a timeline that we're riding the divine timeline right now. So everybody, see you guys tomorrow. The video I'm gonna have with Alter Vigo is gonna be phenomenal, and you guys are really gonna enjoy that podcast. So everybody have an awesome day, and peace.